Good morning, Year 2. This is your maths session. Today is the 23rd of June 2020 and we're going to be learning to compare numbers using the symbolic representation. So the symbols that we looked at yesterday showing greater than or less than and equal to. So rather than pictures today, we're going to use numbers, and for this lesson you're going to need a ruler, a pen, some paper and some card or pieces of paper that you can write 2-digit or 1-digit numbers on. They could be random numbers, preferably up to 100, and you're going to write these numbers on. Please can you make sure that you have two numbers that are equal in value for this game. You may come across them, you may not during the game. You'll see how that works. So I've got about 20 numbers, random numbers on separate pieces of card that I'm going to use for this game. I've done the lesson this way today so I can show you this game and show you how to play it. So you've got your cards, about 20, all different numbers. There are two in there that are equal, and you're going to share them equally between two people. So you'll need a partner, an adult or another child in your house to play this game with. So I'm going to give one to my partner, one for me, my partner, one for me, and I'm going to share them equally. And then I'm going to turn them upside down. My partner can't see theirs and I can't see mine. And what we're going to be looking at today is the value of the numbers, and we're going to compare them. And to win the point in this game, you have to have put the number with the greater value down, the largest value. So I'm going to go first. Put two numbers down, one from me, and my partner will put one down as well. You look at the numbers and compare them. We can see here that my partner has six ones. I've got 7 tens and 4. You can see instantly that this number here has a higher value because we've got 7 tens and 1s here, whereas in this number there is only 6 1s. So because this is a greater value, I get to pick up both of these cards, and that is my point. I'm going to put it separately on my pile that I'm playing with. Next go. Put your two cards down. My card. My partner puts their card down. Now I'm going to look first at the tens column because they're both 2-digit numbers. So we've got 4 tens and 5 ones here. We've got 4 tens here. That's the same. 4 tens, 4 tens, and they've both got 5 ones. These two numbers are equal in value. So when this happens, no one can get that point, and you put down another 2 cards. My partner's card 63, my card 33. And then we're going to look at the value of these 2 cards. So we can see instantly that this card has 6 tens and this card has 3 tens. That's a higher value of tens, and they've only got tens and ones in each number. So this is a higher value, 63 and 33. My partner would get this point. These 2 cards would go out of the game and nobody would get that point. So the winner is the person with the most pairs of numbers at the end of the game. I hope you enjoyed that game, and I look forward to finding out who wins the game, you or your adult, or you or your sister or brother, or whoever's in your house. When you've played that game, what I would like you to do is to have a go at using the symbolic representation of more than, less than and equal to. And you can use your cards again here if you would like. So pick 2 cards And then you're going to compare the numbers and work out which is the greater number. So here we've got 6 tens and 6 tens, that's the same. So we need to concentrate on the ones column. Excuse me. We've got 1 1 there and 2 1s there. So we can see that this number has a slightly higher value by 1 than this number. Now we spoke about yesterday if you needed some help when you're drawing your symbolic representation of more than, you can do 2 dots to remind yourself that that's more than the 1 dot to show the opening where the greater number will go, and then join your dots together. I'd like you to use a ruler for this, please. So I've used the symbolic representation there to show that this number 62 is greater than 61. And get some more numbers. Got 33 and 19. I'm looking at the tens column first, and then the ones column. So here we've got 3 tens and here we've only got 1 10. So we know instantly, because they're both 2-digit numbers, that this number has a greater value because it has more tens. We've got 3 tens, which has the value of 30, and 3, which is 33. 1 10 has the value of 10 and 9, which gives us 19. This number is less than. So that would be 1 dot because that's less than 2 dots. So we would have the point showing less than towards the 19. This is the greater number, so the opening is at that side. If you do come across 2 numbers that are the same, remember you would show that using the equal symbol, which looks like this. Okay, I hope you enjoy the game and I look forward to seeing your examples. I'd like a few of those, please. About 5 with the symbols. I look forward to seeing how you get on.